So I was doing a little bit of editing just now and realized I did a very poor job of trying to film this day today. We were just basically playing around in the snow, and then I remembered that I had brought the camera gear, so I just decided to film something. This is some bonus footage of the day before, or the weekend before, yeah. There was quite a few of us out there. This Toyota right here is a extended cab pickup, the first generation, and it's got a little turbo, and it sounds super sweet. There was another one out there that was solid axle swap. There was another one out there with a supercharger. These were for 4Runners. So it was pretty cool to see those dudes. That tow truck weighed about 25,000 pounds, and it had chains on the back on the duals, but it was only one wheel, you know, no locker, no nothing, just the one tire would fire, and then sometimes both of them would kick. The snow was so deep, it was just eating ruts. Getting stuck. I yanked it out actually a few times. It was pretty impressive.
Gotta love them Jonas, man. Go. Oh, go hook him. Go. Okay. Oh. Go. Hold on, came undone.